Hey guys, my hair is in a really funky in-between stage, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on a cute, quick, sleek ponytail. Hey guys! Child, that mess was crazy. Now she know better than that. So, I wanted to do a tutorial on a quick and cute, sleek ponytail. My hair is in a weird growing out stage and it's raining today, so I thought this would be useful. I got this ponytail about 2 years ago from Sacred Locks, a brand that I absolutely love, and they got it made for me. It's 24 inches Malaysian wavy, and it has literally lasted me 2 years, and it takes me all of like 3 seconds to put it on. With 2 bobby pins, that's all I use to secure it, and it's secure and snug in place. It even has a little hair wrap already separated so that you can wrap the hair around. I absolutely love this ponytail, and seriously, take it out of the pack, I brush it, I stick it on, I put 2 bobby pins in, as you can see. I'm doing one there, and then I do another on the side to hold the little wrap hair in. But other than that, it has Velcro on it, so it Velcros in place. And look how cute that is. My hair is in a really weird place, so I can't fully get it back into a ponytail because I have bangs. But afterwards, I put a little bit of mousse on it. You can use any mousse that you want, but I find this mousse with the avocado and lime to be really good because it doesn't make my hair super hard, which I like, a cute slick back look. I put a scarf on it. I tie it up for a little while. Some people would sit under the dryer to speed it up, but I just danced around for about 10 minutes. Okay, you actually don't have to sit under the dryer or even dance around. This is the extra step that I have to do because my bangs are short and so they can't fully go back into the ponytail, so I have to mold them down a bit. But I simply just do it. It's an extra step. I take the scarf off and voila, I have a cute, sleek, and sexy ponytail out for a date night with my husband. It's long and it's cute and it's really easy because I'm not really hair savvy anyway. But I'll put more about the company in my description box. But thank you guys for listening. See you next time.